wasn't sure about all of it. You know what I mean? That was a problem. What did I do? What did I do? Oh yeah, they did some stuff. They baseball, football. I mean, I didn't do it for very long. I didn't care very much, but I still made the team. Even though I drowned.
Yeah, your soccer moves were always
All around.
all around balance. Really.
I think it's because of the use of our feet. We can use anything else. That's exactly what it is. I said that. I think because we use our feet, which no one uses, that's what makes us such a good I'm starting to get into it. I'm starting to love this. It's always hard for me. The only thing I struggle with, because I played, like I said, a bunch of other sports, and it's like, this one's so hard to understand positioning and, the distribution of I'm still trying to catch on to it. I still don't get it.
Well, your mind is still they feel individual play is almost, if not more important than actual bullshit. How you play in the mid and then position the team, how you distribute, it's different than this, and on the roll of it.
Yeah.
The only thing that's baseball, those are a lot of times the other guys.
It's hard to like, it's hard for me to figure out the that's the hardest part. That's the hardest part.
Well, her being in the barrel, to me, she can have three team motions. So she has unlimited,
Yeah.
she doesn't have to check in. But she's going to attack that with the field. She's pretty good. She plays high school as well. She can do that.
Where are you guys from? What part of Yeah, we're down in Cave. Ours are
I usually go to, if you remember, they played us.
Yeah, last game. That was
They
it.
had us 15 and 50 games. 10, 3. He said 10 and 11. And you could just see it in the ball that they were like, we can't get to this run for whatever reason. And you could see it.
I told that to that Marvel, and I'm like, dude, you guys could have really won all of those games yesterday, and you guys were not. Their team and this team are both the but it's just you have to put your heart out there to have that. You can't give up because that's what I say. You guys lost the games yesterday. Exactly. I say if you give up on your soccer team, you're gonna get a goal.
Gotta finish that run.
Exactly.
Right? If you don't finish that run, you're amazed how that changed your whole basketball.
But they have that.
Oh,
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
maybe when I was your age, I maybe 19 and a half now. Played college ball, played college soccer. I tried to,
Yeah.
well, years ago, that team's been around forever. I tried out for it. I made it to the final 50 and got cut.
Oh, that's sad.
I don't know, I just wasn't that good.
Yeah, we didn't. I love that drafted to go play for Texas. FC Dallas. Yeah. he was better than me, but he's been playing a lot longer than me. And when he went out there and yeah. Well, I want to say it's not necessarily fast. It's just I got a hell of a leg. Yeah.
Right?
Yes. That's what I was taught as a kid. Like most kids, perfecting the shot on my top use both of my legs rather than one. So while they're perfecting on strength, that's for me to come later in life while I'm working on both. I can't think. I was thinking
a field goal, so you concentrate on strength on one leg.
that when you
Like soccer,
yeah, it's
you know, down, I watch it, so
really.
he's in a left-hand position. They can start. It's very deceiving because if he serves right, left.
That's insane.
Most of them are always committed to playing ball out to college.
Yeah, that's how hard they are too.
My daughter is 16.
Really? Yeah. One of my girls is 15 over there. She's the biggest girl. She's 5'11". She's like, she's really she's just 15 I know, I told her, I'm like, you have not stopped growing yet. You're going to get bigger. You're going to still get bigger. Oh, yeah, I told her, I'm like, you grind on this sword. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. She's doing that right there all day long. And it's not like soft, like, it's pretty damn hard. But yeah, I like this team. I was watching them all day yesterday.
We're missing 3 players.
They just come out.
One of them injured. Oh, that's right. She had a tooth issue. And she's one of our tallest girls. She's one of the longest. The other one is like my daughter. She's a blonde. She's on the She gets up off the court. Always on the ground. Getting big and up. That's what seems to be.
She's good. She gets down on herself too quickly. I'm like, you cannot give up on yourself because you made one mistake. And that's what she gets up on. Exactly. I tell her that. I'm like,
Shot the court, exactly. You get with a good team and they stay together, they're very comfortable. Nothing does. The heart usually makes the difference. They're particularly talented.
she's good.
I've been saying that. Oh, yeah. I've been saying that. Very deceiving. Very deceiving. I think she's just going up and moving away. Her dad has a female speed record for running for 23 years. The lady friend that he was Barbados. He was active. My mom is was your first